Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to start page numbering from number 2 in Google Docs. Open your Docs file, now select Insert option and select page number and select any kinds of page number formatting. I'll just first one, page number. Now select option and see this page number now is starting at page number 1. Now change this page number. Double click this page number and now select option and page number option and see this start page number from 2. Now select apply and click and see this page number now start from page 2. See this. In this way you can start this page number. Double click and active this page number from page 3, sorry, number 3 and apply and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.